Okay, question number 5. For each arithmetic sequence, write the explicit formula and then use that explicit formula to define the 20th term. So there's two things. I've got to write this formula and I've got to find the 20th term. And it does tell me that these sequences are arithmetic, although I'll probably verify that. Number 5, these are all increasing by 2, right? 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. Definitely arithmetic. The first term, a sub 1, the first one in this is 6. My common difference, d, is the number 2. So the explicit form says, hey, the nth term in this sequence, right, the nth one will equal the first one plus n minus 1 times the common difference 2. So all I'm doing is plugging those two values in, right? What is the first one? This is a sub 1, and what's your common difference? Now that I've got the explicit form there, I need to find out what is the 20th term in this sequence. So this is the question I'm answering. What is the 20th term in that sequence, a sub 20? To find the 20th term, I'm just going to plug this value in here. So I've got 6 plus, I want to find the 20th term. So I've got 20 minus 1. And then I'm going to multiply that by 2. So I'm looking at 6 plus 19 times 2. If I take 19 and I double it, I'm getting 2 less than 40, so this is 38. So I have 6 plus the number 38, which is 6 plus 2 more is 44. So there we go. So the 20th term is 44. And the explicit form is right here. So I'm going to try and box both of those so that Mr. Roberts can clearly see there is the explicit formula. I've got that, and I've got the 20th term. Check. One thing you can't do is you can't erase that, though, and then do the next problem. So you might need to write a little bit smaller, or I might need to write smaller and demonstrate that it can be done. Let's go on to number 6. Number 6, here I am increasing by 4 each time, right? I can see if I have negative 8 and I add 4, it would be positive 4. Plus 4 would be 0. 0 plus 4 is 4, and 4 plus 4 is the number 8. So I've got everything dialed in there. Now it's just a matter of plugging things into the thing. So my first term is negative 8 again, so a sub 1 equals negative 8. My common difference is the number 4. So if I write down the explicit rule, it's going to be a sub n equals the first term, which is negative 8, plus n minus 1 times my common difference of 4. So that is the explicit formula for this arithmetic sequence. Now I just need to find out what it is at the 20th term. That was the second part of the question. So I'm looking at a sub 20. And a sub 20 will equal negative 8 plus, again, the 20 minus 1 times my common difference of 4. So I'm looking at 19 times 4. Which is 76, and to that I'm going to add a negative 8, and that brings me at positive 68. So here is the 20th term, and above that I have the explicit formula.